Hello children, this is 4th standard maths. Chapter name is large number. Our next topic is the Roman system. And you have learned in a class 3rd standard and 2nd or 3rd standard the Roman system and symbol of the Roman numerals. Roman numerals are numeral system that originate in ancient Rome, and the Europeans still use Roman numerals even after fall of the Roman Empire. Number in the system uses letters from the Latin alphabet. So we excel, some letters are from Latin alphabet, and there is no zero in Roman system. In Indo-Arabic numbers, zero, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, but in the Roman numerals there is no zero in the system, Roman system. An important difference between the decimal system means the Indo-Arabic system and the Roman system means does not use a place value chart. In Indian or international system of numbers, numerals, we use place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, and international ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. But in Roman system, here we does not use place. Roman system does not use place value. And we still use Roman numerals today in special places like numbering important events such as the Olympic Games and sometimes on clocks and books. I think you know how to write the Roman numbers from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. And here some rules are here. With the help of this rule, we can write any Roman numbers. Okay, rule 1, rule 2 and rule 3. 3 rules are there. With the help of this rule, we can write any Roman given numbers. Now here, this chart, you should learn this properly. Okay, value of Roman numbers. This is Roman numbers and this is the Indian or Indo-Arabic system value. I means 1. I equal to 1 and V equal to 5. X equal to 10. Till here you know. Okay. Then L equal 50. C equal 100. C we can remember 100. C century. Okay. With the remember century we can remember C equal 100. D equal 500. M equal 1000. How to remember this? Let's create some story to remember this well, children. There is one trick is there. The trick is say the connecting unknown things with the known things. This is unknown numbers, unknown things, and connecting unknown things with the known things similar to creating story type. Okay. Now let's create a story or make a story to understand betterly. You can create your own story. Okay, related to this. Connect the connect unknown things with known things. Now we have to remember this. How to remember? I am creating a story here. I and V, 5 friends booked XL size of dresses. This is related to online shopping, children. I and V, 5 members, 5 friends booked XL size of 10 to 50 dresses. 10 to 50 dresses, cash on delivery. Cost is 100 rupees shipping charges, transport charges, and 500 rupees the cost. But after delivery, we received medium size. What we booked XL size dress, but we received medium size dress. The cost is 1000 rupees. Okay, children. So here INV 5 or 15 members booked XL size dress of 10 to 50 numbers, 10 to 50 dresses. Cost 10 to 50 dresses on cash on delivery. 100 rupees is the shipping charges and 500 is per dress cost. But after delivery we received medium size dress of 1000 rupees. This is what the online shopping experience. This story to understand. So without now with the help of that story we will write the values. I and V, this is 15 or 5 members. Okay, I and V of 15 or 15 we can say, or 5 members. I and V 15, we booked XL size dresses. I and V 5 members of booked XL size dress of 10 to 50 numbers. We booked XL size of 10, 9, 50 extra, 10 separately and 50 separately. Okay, I and V booked XL size dress of 10 to 50. Payment is cash on delivery. Cash on delivery, 100 rupees is shipping charges, 500 rupees is one dress cost. Okay, I and V booked 15 dresses, XL size of, or 1 dresses or 5 dresses also we can make. I and V booked 5 friends booked XL size of 10 to 15 numbers of dresses. cash on delivery, 100 rupees shipping charges, 500 is a dress cost. But after delivery, what we received? Medium size dress of 1000 rupees cost. Understand? So here I means value is 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100 century, D means dress cost is 500, but we received after delivery we received 1000 rupees dress of medium size. So here one more thing you can observe here, children. Here 1 5, first number is 1, second number is 5, again 1 5 1 5 1 5. Okay, like that, 1 5 1 5 1 5 difference. Here no 0, here also no 0. So here then again 1 is repeating with the 1 0, again 5 is repeating, this 5 is repeating with the 1 0, and again 1 is repeating with 2 0, again 5 is repeating with 2 0, again 1 is repeating with 3 zeros. Okay, 1 5 they are repeating in each cases. Okay, 1 again here with the 1 0, and 5 also with 1 0. Here again 1 with the 2 0, 5 with the 2 0, again 1 with the 3 0. Or with the help of story we can say that I and V of 5 members booked XL size of dress of 10 9 50 separately, separated dress, cash on delivery, 100 rupees is the shipping charges century, and one dress amount is 500, but after delivery we received 1000 rupees of 1000 rupees of medium size dress. This is what the online shopping story. So now you know this. I1 V means 5, V 5 friends, XL size of 10 and 50, C means 100 rupees shipping charges, 500, D is 500 dress cost, and we received 1000 rupees dress. Okay, now so we know the value here. V means 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. Now how to remember next values here? We know numbers, Roman numbers from 1 to 10. 1 means 1I, 2 means 2 times I, okay, 3 means 3 times I, and 4 means I and V, because we cannot repeat 4 times I. We cannot repeat any letters more than 3 times. That is the rule. Okay, first rule. So here to write the third is the last limit, third time we are repeating. So to write fourth means we have to write check next number. Next number is 5. 5 is V. So V minus I means 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, we are subtracting. So when right side greater number is coming means we are subtracting. Right side greater letters are coming means we are subtracting. Okay, if right side smaller numbers or smaller letters mean we are adding. So here also subtraction and addition is there. Means when we are subtracting number, when we are addition. With the help of this table we can write any Roman numbers, children. Now 7 means V I I, 8 means V I 3 times, 9 means V I 4 times we can write. No, that is wrong. We cannot write more than 3 times any letter. So 9, to write 9 means we should know 10. 10 is X. Okay, so X and I, it means 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, last 3 limit we should stop. So next number means after that, if we are finding, if you want to write 9 means we have to know what is the value of 10. Then 10 minus 1 or I. Now 20, to write 20 we know 10 is X. So we can repeat X means 10 plus 10 is 20. 30 means X means 10 plus 10 plus 10, 10 10 20, 20 plus 10 30. 40 means we cannot write for X 4 times, we can write 4 times. No, we cannot write any letters more than 3 times. So 40 means, so now what is the next number is 50. 50 and we know that L. 50 is L. 50 is L means, so 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is how much? 40. So we have to check 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. Okay, then 50 is L, and 60 means LX. 70 means LXX. Means L is 50 and X is 10 means 60. So here L means 50. 50 plus 10 60. 60 plus 10 70. How to write 80? 50. L is 50 plus 10 60 plus 10 70. 70 plus 10 80. Whether we can write L X X X 4 times? No, we cannot write any letters. We cannot repeat any letters more than 3 times. So to know the 90 next number, we should know what is the value of next number. 100. To know the 90 value, we should know the value of 100. 100 is C, century. C. So we have means to the century we have to minus 10. XC. So right side greater number are writing means it means we are subtracting. If right side smaller number is there means it is addition. So right side greater number. Right side greater number. So 100 minus 10 is 90. And 100 is C, century, 100. The next 100 we know that C, century. And 200 means write C in 2 times. 100 plus 100 is 200. 300 means 100. 300 means 100 we have to write in 3 times. C, C, C. Okay. 400 means whether we can write C in 4 times? No. We cannot write any letters more than 3 times. We cannot repeat any letters more than 3 times. So 400 means we should know what value of next number. 500. 500 means dress value is 500 rupees. No. So 500 is D value. So greater number right side we should write. Right side means first last unit place. Right side we should write here CD means 500 minus 100. 500 minus 100 is 400. Now 500 over. Now 600 means 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100 is 600. Now 700 means 500 plus 100 is 600 plus 100 is 700. Now 800 means 500, 600, 700, 800. So value is 800. Whether we can write 900 DC in 4 times? No, we cannot write. So to know the value of 900, we should know the next number, 1000. I mean next value, 1000 value is M. 1000 rupees. So C me M. Greatest right side M means it is in M is 1000. 1000 minus 100 is 900.